It's kind of blurry now, but a little bit bright. Alright, let's look into our deep charts. We'll update. Alright, got 3 minutes to open, so we gotta kind of hurry. Not hurry, but get all the charts set up.
Connected.
Well, okay. I wonder if there's new contract rollover. That's probably what it is, new contract roller. CME. Select. I think it's going on. Let's see what we got. That's weird. Attorney General. Maybe it's automatic rollover. Possibly. Just looks weird because look at this. That is weird. Okay, well, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is just an old. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it's just not looking right. Contract rollover for sure. Maybe it's rolling over? Possibly. Okay, we'll just see. Okay. View offline, point of control, value area high, value area low. So yesterday we did move up. We broke structure. So we could, I don't know why this chart looks like this. This chart looks ass. So automatically. That's weird. I don't know. This chart don't look good. It could have already rolled over, possibly. I don't know. It's just saying, it's just not looking right. All right. On the 1 minute chart right now. Yeah, to see this all shit, I think it's contract rollover. I'm almost positive. They roll over Friday, I think, so it's gonna be all fucking jacked up. We'll see what we got though. So one of the areas I can see it actually bouncing off of is right here, actually. It's gonna be this area right here. Somewhere in there. Low volume node here, so you can see a broke structure. What I take it long. I swear I got to roll over contracts. I gotta figure this out because it's not gonna be good. Okay, well, I don't know. I think they automatically roll it over for you, which kind of sucks. We'll see. Time to break it down. So we're getting bubbles here. Aggressive buying happening. This is the low volume node I'm seeing for the day, for the daily profile. You can see right here, large amount of volume. So this is where price reacted. Large amount of volume right here. This is where price reacted. So it came back up here, broke. So now we're gonna come down and test this low volume node. I will be taking more likely a buy. Sorry. Just look at overnight. We've been moving up and we broke yesterday's structure, so. But man, aggressive selling, holy moly. Look at this. Almost 100-point drop from market open. A good short would have been, we were technically in compression zone here, so I could have waited for this, but it's not quite, they're not out of balance yet. Then you could have gone short here. This would have been a great short. There, boom. Risk like above that bubble. And you could have already gotten out on this one. Oops, I'm zooming in. I don't know why it's doing that. That is it. Just move that. Could have gone short here, stop above there. Could have easily picked up a 2-to-1 there. Easily. So we're coming to support here, and this could bounce. So I might put a stop order here. If we close back above this area, this is where buyers are present, and we should see a bounce. Look at Delta building. I'll put a small stop here. Just close back above there, then this will probably rip back up. We're about area low. We'll see if buyers step in though. Stop loss goes below here. Below this candle. This could be a semi-big risk, so take profit will be go to this PLC right here. You always want to target PLCs. Come on. I think I'm on the wrong contract rollover, so this could be problematic, but you can see right here buying. Strong buying held up. We pushed up again. Delta's growing. Everything's in good off value or low, so go there. Give it some room. But this might come down and work us out, possibly. Yep. All right, first loss, 480 bucks. I'll take that loss, but look at this. Buying is still growing. I'm gonna try one more time. If it comes back up here, I'm gonna try one more time. This is my last try on this level. Closes here, we'll go back. So look at this. They're trying to buy, but sellers are dominating, but we're getting no aggressive selling. Damn. Okay, call it there. I'm not gonna take another risk there. We'll see if this grows again. If this gets rejected by a wick, then this might be another good entry, possibly. We're still in the value area low. But buyers are getting destroyed. Aggressive buying, aggressive buying, aggressive buying, and price is still moving down. So you're getting big boys coming in, and they're getting destroyed right now. But look at this, cumulative delta is rising, so this is probably going to rip. My stop loss is probably going to be like, damn, I don't want that big. Point control is shifted too. Oof, 600 bucks to make 2-to-1. I don't know about this. This might be a risky attempt, honestly. Yeah, it's going to be a risky attempt. Yeah, this is risky. I'm going to was big on this one. If it just doesn't. I'm getting smacked this morning. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I took 2 big trades that were just absolutely destroyed. We'll see if we can cover on this one. Down 13 right now. This is not good. You can see this group of aggressive buying. So this is where all the bubbles are right here. Aggressive buying. And they tried. Delta was rising. And they sold off. So, and this is the point of control. This purple line is the point of control. This is where most volume is traded. Let's move this for you real quick. Let's move this so we can clean up the charts. Excuse me. This is why I think the selling's not gonna continue. It's probably gonna move back up. Let's look at this. We get nothing but buying here from the actual true volume. So we'll see. I'll try to recover this. That was a bad. I extended my stop. It was huge, so that probably wasn't the best idea. That was a personal mistake. Damn. It's okay. I'm on the wrong contract too. I don't know how. This closes back above this. This will be a good trade right here. It's crazy. Sellers are still holding 7. This is just moving up. Getting wicks here too, which is good. And then we'll see what happens. Down 13 though. So what we're gonna wait for here is this. This is a buy bubble here. If it closes back above, then we'll be solid. Right now I'm getting smacked, so this was I had a huge $700 stop loss on one of these candles that I had below. So all right, now it went back above that buy bubble. I might try to recover some. Another buy bubble here. I just hope. I mean, we're getting huge buying volume too, which is crazy. Damn, and it's not gonna look good again. I'm gonna get smacked around again. This is a crazy morning. Okay. Well, hopefully this closes back above. If not, I'm in trouble. It looks like I'll be in trouble. Sellers are completely dominating. And I probably should have went with the sellers on this one. All right. Damn, I'm gonna end on that one. I got a couple accounts, so that one I got absolutely wrecked. So the real trade that I missed out on, sorry, let's draw the volume for this was morning opener here. As soon as we broke this, we got aggressive selling. You should have went short here. And my bias changed. Could have put your stop here, $3 stop, and then you could have just rode this down and trailed it every time. Bummer. Okay, it is what it is. gonna try one risky trade here on this count. Broke the low of the day, huh? Yeah, that's the low of the day. All right, we're just gonna wait until we get a buy bubble, because Delta is not agreeing with this selling move. So, but I got, this is the worst morning I've ever traded in a long time. I got absolutely smacked quickly. Let's go to the 5. Let's see what the point of control. So we bounced off the point of control more or less. So we targeted that from previous days. So this could go up after this. We're gonna wait until we get a bubble. We got a sell bubble there. We'll see if this follows through. If it does, then this might come down further. But the market was going up all day, and then now they recovered all the sells. Try a small move here. Oh, what the? Damn, that was weird. I should have put a, missed it. Damn it. Okay, that's where buyers came in. Oh well. I'm gonna put one order here, just to where the buyers are protected. Sorry. Look at this huge volume right here. How many contracts were placed in this area? And I probably missed that move. It's probably gonna go up now. That was weird. It just glitched out. I hit my day loss on one of them, so $2,000 on one of my accounts. So I'm in the hole pretty bad. All my gains from yesterday wiped on that one. This was the move. You waited for this buy bubble off the point of control from yesterday. This would have been a good move. I don't know why my shit's glitching. The crazy thing is buying is still growing. The buying volume is still growing, even as we're coming down, which is kind of insane. So what I expect to do is come down, tap into this. I probably might stop somewhere right around here. if it doesn't tap into it, then we're probably just going to move all the way back up and recover all this. And that was kind of what I was looking for. But we will see. Yeah, here it goes. I just want to see where the low volume node is on this one, because this could be a possible short entry from here. So this could be where shorts engage once again. Right in this area where there's aggressive selling where it happened originally. So that's the area we want to look for shorts, for sure. You're constantly pulling the volume profile from swing high to swing low. So this is, I'm going to try one long. If this fails and we get subbles down here, and say I get stopped out, then I'll reverse for a short position. Ooh, I never got hit. It'll tap into it this time. No way. Watch it just bounce off this, not even get hit, and then go back the other way. That'd be crazy, but we'll see. I'm trying to fill out this price. Still hasn't got filled yet. This is where the support is, so if it holds, then this could be a really good move. If not, like this could get dangerous. Volume missed that right there. $400 right here on this one. And this is a riskier move. Take profit. PSC. Go for $1,100. Almost 1 to 3. There we go. We got a nice projection into that support area, right where that aggressive buying was. And then I'll probably move my stop here pretty soon to break even. I'll move it once we break above 2080, 080. I'm moving it up 600. I'm just gonna go to the point of control, go for $1,100. Maybe I'll go to the BWAP. We'll go $1,200. We'll one to three basically. Right slightly above the POC because that's where the most volume is going to come back to. All right, up 7. Give ourselves some room here. Damn, back up. Damn, that almost. And I'm just gonna close here. I'm gonna flatten it out. $1,000. It's close. I don't want to reverse back. It's most likely gonna go up, but all right, recovered 1,000 on that one. Yeah, it would have hit. It's probably gonna go all the way back up. You can see this volume right here, the delta. We are coming down, but it was going up. So once we had that first aggressive buying, which was right here, with these bubbles, this was your zone to take it long. And look at that, bounced into it, boom, took off. Just like that. Okay, let's see if I can cover more. Yeah, I think we're gonna continue to go. We might even come all the way back up to this area up here, or even up here with the opening range right here. We opened up. That's my guess. If not, we're gonna tap into this low volume node, and then you'll see aggressive sells with bubbles, and that will be indications to come down lower. That'll be the two possible entries I take: short right there, or we continuation for a long. I got one more account here that will trade that one too. So I'll lock in at least 900 on that one. I might have to end the stream here soon just due to taking my kids to school, so. I fucked up big time though this morning. I should have went short here. When we broke this compression zone, we're bouncing, and then ended up breaking with aggressive sells. That's where you take a short. And you would have locked in probably $2,000 at least here, bare minimum. And that's why you exit there on the POC. That's where volume was mostly traded. All right. Well, I might have to go here because I have to get my kids ready for school. I'll be jumping back on here in about an hour or so. Yeah, it was good streaming for like the first 30 minutes, so I'll be back on. Let me just end the stream.